I'm Tony from Blue and Black Barbershop here in Brooklyn. We're gonna do some cool stuff with Evan's hair using Maapilim hair product. Just getting the hair a little wet for some cutting. And what I'm gonna do is do some scissor work here for some nice texture in the hair. To trim the bangs a little bit. All right, so now I'm gonna pretty much just add the product. Here we have the hair paste from Maapilim. This is one of our favorite products to use in the shop. It's matte, so it's not gonna give you any shine, and it's gonna give you a medium hold. A little bit goes a long way as well. It spreads really nice, so this is really great for thick hair. People usually love this product when we put it in because it smells so nice as well, and it feels really nice in the hair.